Level encoding. This is one of the simplest encoding technique where a unique integer is assigned to each category. This is suitable when categories are independent and have no intrinsic order. Basically, this is applicable for nominal categories. One major issue with this approach is there is no relation or order between these classes, but the algorithm might consider them as some order or some relationship. One good thing about this is it doesn't increase dimensionality, but again, it's not suitable for ordinal data. Let's take a quick look at code. Level encoding. We'll be using a sklearn implementation of level encoder. We are using the same dataset, temperature, color, and target, loading the dataset with all the three features: temperature, color, and target. First, we'll initialize level encoder, and columns to encode are temperature and color. To apply level encoder, each column and create a new data frame column, we're running it for each column in this. It does one by one, so we are just using the fit transform and converting it. So as you can see, the data frame, final data frame, has converted the level encoded value for temperature, and by default it has started from 0. Since we have 4 categories, it's 0, 1, 2, and 3. For color, 0, 1, and 2. That's all for this video. Please press like button or share the video if you liked it. To support the channel, please press subscribe button. Thank you so much.